Today we are going to learn about the programming of smart street light. So as you all know, the programming has three parts: above the void setup, in the void setup, and the void loop part. So above the void setup, we define the pin numbers for the components which we are using in the experiment or the project. So in the void setup, we initialize whether the component is an input or the output. In the void loop, we actually write the program for the inputs and the output dividers. So first let us start with the programming part. So first, above the void setup, here for the smart street light, we need an IR sensor and a LED as a street light prototype. So I am defining the pin numbers for the IR sensor. I'll name it as IR and I'll define the pin number as 2. So we can define the pin numbers for the Arduino from 0 to 13, that is the digital numbers. So now I will define the pin number for LED. I'll name it as LED and give the pin number as 3. So now we have defined IR sensor and LED pin number. So now we have to initialize whether the LED is an output or input. Same for the IR sensor. So for the initializing of the input and output devices, we define it as pin mode in camel case IR comma input. So I am defining the IR sensor as input because any sensor is known as the input device. So for the LED, it's an output device. Now here comes the actual program. So now in the smart street light or the automatic street light, whenever the vehicle is sensed by the IR sensor, then the LED should be on, wherein the electricity will be saved. So for this we are going to use the if condition, wherein if digital read of IR equals to high. So now we are using digital read over here because for any input we have to use the digital read command, because all the sensors will read the data. They will take in the data, they will read the data. So if the IR is high, that is if the IR sensor is sensing any vehicle or any object, then the street light should be on. So here I'll be using digital write LED comma high. So digital write, I have used here digital write because here LED is a output device. Here IR sensor is the input device, so I have used digital read. LED is an output device, so I have used the digital write. So here you have to make sure the difference between digital read and digital write. So digital read is used for the input devices and digital write is used for the output devices. So for the if condition, I did not put any semicolon because if condition does not come with the semicolon. So now if there is no object sensed, then the IR sensor, if there is no object sensed by the IR sensor, then the LED should be off. So for that I am using LED comma low, that is LED, the street light will be off. So here if the IR sensor is high, LED will be on, else the LED will be switched off. So that is the programming part. So when you click on verify here, you can save your program. For now I am not saving the program, and when your programming is correct, you can see here as done compiling. If you have any errors, there will be errors shown here. So now there are no errors, so here it is shown as done compiling.